Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss molecular basis of inheritance. Top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. Which of the following is the characteristic feature of an organism? A. Number of RNA. B. Number of protein molecules. C. Length of chromosomes. D. Length of DNA. Answer. D. Length of DNA. 2. By which of the following bonds, a nitrogenous base is linked to the pentose sugar? A. Phosphate bond. B. Ester bond. C. Peptide bond. D. N-glycosidic bond. Answer. D. N-glycosidic bond. 3. All codes for A. Serine. B. Proline. C. Glycine. D. Methionine. Answer. D. Methionine. 4. Who considered DNA as a nucleon? A. James Watson. B. Friedrich Miescher. C. Francis Crick. D. Rosalind Franklin. Answer. B. Friedrich Miescher. 5. Which of the following ensures the stability of the helical structure of a DNA? A. Presence of repetitive structures of a DNA code. B. Stacking of one base pair over the other. C. Presence of aneuploidy. D. Occurrence of chromosomal rearrangements. Answer. B. Stacking of one base pair over the other. 6. What is the chemical name for thiamine known as? A. 5-methoxyuracil. B. 3-methoxyuracil. C. 5-methyluracil. D. 3-methyuracil. Answer. C. 5-methyluracil. 7. Which is the correct complementary strand for AGAATTCGC? A. CTCCGGATA. B. GAGGCCTAT. C. TCTTAAGCG. D. GTGGCCATA. Answer. C. TCTTAAGCG. 8. How many BP are present in a typical nucleosome? A. 200 BP. B. 100 BP. C. 300 BP. D. 90 BP. Answer. A. 200 BP. 9. Which of the following chromatins are said to be transcriptionally active and inactive respectively? A. Euchromatin, heterochromatin. B. Euchromatin, prochromatin. C. Prochromatin, euchromatin. D. Heterochromatin, euchromatin. Answer. A. Euchromatin, heterochromatin. 10. What is the typical distance between two base pairs in nanometer? A. 0.34 nanometers. B. 0.32 nanometers. C. 0.33 nanometers. D. 0.35 nanometers. Answer. A. 0.34 nanometers. 11. Which of the following is responsible for transforming the R strain into the S strain? A. Purified biochemicals from S strain. B. Purified biochemicals from R strain. C. Purified biochemicals from heat-killed S strain. D. Purified biochemicals from heat-killed R strain. Answer. C. Purified biochemicals from heat-killed S strain. 12. Which of the following is responsible for the inhibition of transformation in organisms? A. DNase. B. RNase. C. Protease. D. Nuclease. Answer. A. DNase. 13. What are the viruses that affect bacteria known as? A. Virophage. B. Bacteriophage. C. Mimivirus. D. Virology. Answer. B. Bacteriophage. 14. Which of the following is not a stage in the Hershey-Chase experiment? A. Blending. B. Centrifugation. C. Infection. D. Conjugation. Answer. D. Conjugation. 15. Which of the following can be observed alongside radioactive bacteria as a result of centrifugation? A. Bacterium starts to produce RNA. B. Radioactivity can be detected in the supernatant. C. Bacterium starts to move slow. D. Radioactivity cannot be detected in the supernatant. Answer. D. Radioactivity cannot be detected in the supernatant. 16. What will happen when the radioactive protein capsule of the virus is attached onto the bacteria? A. Radioactivity is detected in the supernatant. B. Radioactivity is absent in the supernatant. C. Radioactive DNA is injected into the bacterium. D. Attachment of the virus to the bacterium doesn't occur. Answer. A. Radioactivity is detected in the supernatant. 17. What will happen when the two complementary strands of the DNA are heated up and brought together? A. They will repel each due to the charges formed. B. They will attract each other due to the charges formed. C. They will become non-complementary to each other. D. They will combine with each other under appropriate conditions. Answer. D. They will combine with each other under appropriate conditions. 18. Which of the following is responsible for the transmission of genetic information? A. DNA. B. RNA. C. Proteins. D. Mitochondrion. Answer. B. RNA. 19. Which process is termed as semi-conservative DNA replication? A. Presence of only newly synthesized strands in DNA. B. Presence of only parental strands in DNA. C. Presence of both parental and newly synthesized strands in DNA. D. Presence of a hybrid variety of strands. Answer. C. Presence of both parental and newly synthesized strands in DNA. 20. Which organism was used to detect the presence of thymidine on the newly formed DNA in 1958? A. Vibrio cholerae. B. Treponema pallidum. C. Vishwa faba. D. Escherichia coli. Answer. C. Vishwa faba. 21. Which enzyme is used for the process of replication in E. coli? A. Restriction enzyme. B. Protease enzyme. C. Lipase enzyme. D. DNA polymerase. Answer. D. DNA polymerase. 22. How many codons code for amino acids? A. 16. B. 61. C. 65. D. 66. Answer. B. 61. 23. In which phase of the cell cycle does the process of replication take place in E. coli? A. The M phase. B. The G1 phase. C. The G2 phase. D. The S phase. Answer. D. The S phase. 24. Which of the following is not a transcription unit of the DNA? A. Terminator. B. Promoter. C. Organizer. D. Structural gene. Answer. C. Organizer. 25. Which of the following is the unusual nucleotide that is added to the 5' end of the hnRNA during capping? A. Methylguanosine triphosphate. B. Adenine. C. Guanine. D. Adenosine triphosphate. Answer. A. Methylguanosine triphosphate. 26. Which of the following processes represents the domination of the RNA world? A. Splicing. B. Trailing. C. Tailing. D. Capping. Answer. A. Splicing. 27. In which organism was the semi-conservative theory of DNA replication first observed? A. Treponema pallidum. B. Vibrio cholerae. C. Staphylococcus pneumoniae. D. Escherichia coli. Answer. D. Escherichia coli. 28. Which of the following refers to a proposition which directs the sequence of amino acids during protein synthesis? A. DNA fingerprinting. B. Genetic code. C. Transcription. D. Endolysis. Answer. B. Genetic code. 29. Who came up with the idea of adapter molecule? A. James Watson. B. Francis Crick. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Charles Darwin. Answer. B. Francis Crick. 30. What is the process of polymerization of polypeptides to amino acids known as? A. Transcription. B. Translation. C. Reverse transcription. D. Reverse translation. Answer. B. Translation. 31. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for the synthesis of proteins? A. Lysosomes. B. Mitochondria. C. Nucleus. D. Ribosomes. Answer. D. Ribosomes. 32. What happens when the small subunit of the ribosome encounters an mRNA? A. Separation of the small and the larger subunit of the ribosome. B. Translation of the central dogma of DNA. C. Joining of the small and the larger subunit of the ribosome. D. Transcription of the central dogma of DNA. Answer. B. Translation of the central dogma of DNA. 33. Which organism was used to detect the presence of thymidine on the newly formed DNA in 1958? A. Vibrio cholerae. B. Treponema pallidum. C. Vishwa faba. D. Escherichia coli. Answer. C. Vishwa faba. 34. What is the approximate count of the total number of adenylate residues that are added to the 3' end of the hnRNA during the process of tailing? A. 100 to 200. B. 200 to 300. C. 300 to 400. D. 500 to 700. Answer. B. 200 to 300. 35. In which of the following levels can gene expression not be exerted? A. Transitional level. B. Transcriptional level. C. Reverse transcriptional level. D. Processing level. Answer. C. Reverse transcriptional level. 36. What is the regulation of a lac operon by a repressor known as? A. Neutral regulation. B. Positive regulation. C. Mixed regulation. D. Negative regulation. Answer. D. Negative regulation. 37. Which of the following is the necessary condition for the entry of lactose into the cell? A. High-level expression of lac operon. B. Low-level expression of lac operon. C. Absence of lac operon in the cell. D. Absence of proteins in the cell. Answer. B. Low-level expression of lac operon. 38. How many structural genes are present in a lac operon? A. 1. B. 5. C. 3. D. 7. Answer. C. 3. 39. Which polycistronic structural gene is regulated by a common promoter and regulatory gene? A. TRP operon. B. Lac operon. C. ARA operon. D. His operon. Answer. B. Lac operon. 40. Which of the following methodology is used to identify all the genes that are expressed as RNA in the Human Genome Project (HGP)? A. Sequence annotation. B. Expressed sequence tags. C. Karyotyping. D. Ammonification. Answer. B. Expressed sequence tags. 41. How are the genetic and the physical maps assigned on the genome? A. Based on microsatellites. B. Based on macrosatellites. C. Based on kinetochores. D. Based on centromeres. Answer. A. Based on microsatellites. 42. Which of the following is a suitable host for the process of cloning in the Human Genome Project (HGP)? A. Virus. B. All types of fungi. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoan. Answer. C. Bacteria. 43. Which of the following is a suitable vector for the process of cloning in the Human Genome Project (HGP)? A. Pac protozoal artificial chromosomes. B. Fungal artificial chromosomes. C. Viral artificial chromosomes. D. Yeast artificial chromosomes. Answer. D. Yeast artificial chromosomes. 44. How many nucleotides are present in the human genome? A. 3164.7 million. B. 2015.9 million. C. 1982.0 million. D. 3247.9 million. Answer. A. 3164.7 million. 45. How does polymorphism arise? A. Mutations. B. Recombination. C. Diploidy. D. Haploidy. Answer. A. Mutations. 46. How can DNA be a useful tool in forensic applications? A. Showing the same degree of polymorphism with hair follicles. B. Showing different degrees of polymorphism with saliva. C. By not possessing any hereditable information. D. By the presence of lysozymes in it. Answer. A. Showing the same degree of polymorphism with hair follicles. 47. What are the differences in the specific regions of DNA sequence called during DNA fingerprinting? A. Non-repetitive DNA. B. Repetitive DNA. C. Satellite DNA. D. Histone DNA. Answer. B. Repetitive DNA. 48. How many numbers of nucleotides are present in lambda phage? A. 48,502 BP. B. 98,526 bp. C. 10,000 bp. D. 5,326 bp. Answer. A. 48,502 bp. 49. Which of the following is not a part of the nucleotide? A. Phosphate group. B. Nitrogenous base. C. Pentose sugar. D. Guanosine. Answer. D. Guanosine. 50. Which of the following statements is correct regarding DNA and RNA? A. DNA is highly reactive. B. RNA is not catalytic. C. RNA cannot be easily degraded. D. DNA is a better genetic material than RNA. Answer. D. DNA is a better genetic material than RNA. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.